This is the second video to create high quality backlinks for your website. Today I will show you can create high quality backlinks from Medium. So search medium.com. So search here Medium. Open this website and create your free account using your Gmail and password. So started. You can use your Facebook or Gmail ID to create a free account. Now here select this one, continue with a free account. Now click on write. Now here search or open your website. Copy the title. And here paste some content with URL of your website. You can write here to read fully this article. So visit this site. Now copy your website or your post URL. Select it. Link and paste link here. Press enter. Now publish. Add tag if you like. Another way, click on storage, then click on import story. Copy and paste URL and import. You can select any style or format. And then publish. Then here publish. So we can see we have this complete article with link. So as we can see, we have this complete article with link with backlink. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you and check out the playlist to create high quality backlinks for free.